Hi, hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel Peep Maths. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from vectors of 12th class. Okay, the question is let ABCD a parallelogram whose diagonals intersect at P and let O be the origin, then prove that OA vector OA plus vector OB plus vector OC plus vector OD equal to 4 vector OP. So just let us draw the only parallelogram. This is A, B, C, and D, and these are the diagonals which are intersected at P. According to properties of diagonals of a parallelogram, they both bisect each other. That means AP equals to PC and DP equals to PB. Vectors, no? And we know, say for example, if you take AP, which is equals to OP, vector OP minus vector OA, and vector PC is equals to vector OP, vector OC minus vector OP. In the same way, vector DP is equals to vector OP minus vector OD. Next, PB, vector PB is equals to vector OB minus vector OP. Right? Now substitute these values in this. What you will get? OP vector minus vector OA equals to vector OC minus vector OP. Now bring this OP to this side. What you will get? OP, vector OP plus vector OP equals to vector OC plus vector OA. Right? Which implies 2 vector OP equals to vector OC plus vector OA. Take this as equation 1. Next, in this you substitute these two values. What you will get? Vector DP equals to vector PB, no? What you will get? Vector OP minus vector OD equals to vector OB minus vector OP. Now bring this to other side and this to this side. So vector OP plus vector OP equals to vector OB minus plus vector OD. So 2 vector OP equals to vector OB plus vector OD. This is equation 2. Now add equation 1 and 2. What you will get? 2 vector OP plus 2 vector OP equals to vector OC plus vector OA plus vector OB plus vector OD. So this becomes 4 vector OP equals to, arrange them in order. What you will get? Vector OA plus vector OB plus vector OC plus vector OD. Right? Hence proved. Understood how to do? If you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section. Not only in this topic, in any topic, in any problem, even in the competitive exams maths problems also, we can solve if you specify that in the comment section. Okay.